I want you to picture this. You receive your monthly paycheck. You've built a modest mini portfolio of dividend stocks and index funds. You've opened a brokerage account. You're actually moving toward a retirement portfolio mindset. But then you feel it. A heavy, creeping guilt. Because you believe you should have started sooner. Because you should be doing more. Or because you spent a little on something you love and you now worry it takes away from your savings, your equity, your passive income future. That guilt around money is like an anchor, dragging your capital growth, your compound interest trajectory into stagnation. You have stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, diversification and asset allocation, yet you feel shame when you think of the past decisions or the current spending. Why? Because deep in your mind you link your value with your cash flow or the size of your portfolio. Here's the truth. Guilt about money is stealing your forward momentum. When you feel guilty, you freeze, fearful to pay yourself first, fearful to reinvest, fearful to harvest capital appreciation. You might even avoid opening that Robinhood or online brokerage account, or delay reallocating a portion of your portfolio to growth stocks or hedge fund-like allocations because you're haunted by, what if I don't deserve it? Or what if I'm taking too much risk? But here's the shift. Your money isn't a burden, it's your servant. The portfolios, the blue-chip stocks, the high-yield dividend stocks, the passive income streams, they exist to give you freedom, not guilt. So feel this. Imagine turning your guilt into fuel. You tell yourself, I will invest $500 of every paycheck into my long-term dividend income strategy. I will open a Roth IRA, or US equivalent, or put funds into value investing and growth stocks that seek capital appreciation. Instead of feeling shame that you spent $300 on a vacation instead of saving it, you say, that decision was made, it's done. Now I'm back to the allocation. I'm back to the portfolio plan. I'm back to dollar cost averaging, rebalancing, managing risk, hedging for market volatility. Because when you act, guilt dissolves. So here's the call to action. Admit the money guilt, name it, say, yes, I felt guilty when I spent. Yes, I felt guilty when I didn't invest. But I am done letting emotion override my asset allocation plan. Then deploy your capital. Commit to the next $1,000 you earn, won't wait. Invest it. Let that money do the heavy lifting for you. Turn excess into invisible income streams, passive income from stocks, rental properties, REITs if you choose. Ask the question, does this decision serve my future self or my past shame? If it serves your future self, you act. Remember, you are not defined by the debt you carried or by the wasted years. You are defined by the next move you make, your portfolio, your equity, your net worth. It's not an apology, it's your statement. And when you reclaim your relationship with money, when you chase capital appreciation and build that retirement portfolio rather than run from your guilt, you transform the psychological weight into financial freedom.